It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 21st of April. I'm Michael Groff. A sunny and warm day today, but then a big change in the weather pattern for tonight, tomorrow, and into the weekend as a strong weather system passes by to the north of us, bringing an increase in wind across the state. In fact, we could see wind gusts as high as 35 or 40 miles per hour here in Phoenix, some patchy blowing dust as well. Further to the north, there's a chance of precipitation, but it will stay dry here. But the cooler temperatures do not last long, as is often the case this time of year. We'll see readings warming way up, and by the middle part of next week, we could have our first 100-degree day of 2022. All right, let's talk about it. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 90 degrees the afternoon high, 67 was the morning low, the normal high 86, the normal low 62. Looking out there right now at this ridiculously early hour of 4:20 a.m., we've got clear sky, and we are sitting at 68 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 34, relative humidity 28%, wind from the east at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows a trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to be a big weather maker out here across the western states. This far south, that system is nothing more than a big bag of wind. Speaking of, on the watch warning map, a number of red flag warnings in effect across the state. Fire danger is still extremely high and will remain so for the foreseeable future. Elsewhere, those red flag warnings extend out into the plain states. Further east, some dense fog, the issue this morning over parts of Iowa, Missouri, and some of the adjacent states, and winter still hanging on further to the north. The convective outlook, we've got a slight risk of severe storms over a good portion of Kansas. The marginal risk extends further to the north and east up toward Des Moines. And here's a look at precipitation, and this is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, a little light precip possible way up there over the northwestern corner of the state with our system in here tonight and tomorrow. But otherwise, things stay bone dry for quite a while, and we'll talk about why that is and everything else as we get to the models right now. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's a big ridge across the southern plains, the southeast, and we are on the far western periphery of that. It's beginning to move away from us. The heights are coming down, southwesterly flow increasing out ahead of our big trough that's coming onto the Pacific Northwest there. So what it means for us down at the surface today, a sunny sky, a little bit warmer than yesterday. High temperatures should get to the low or maybe even middle 90s. But you can see all that rain and high elevation snow from Central California up into the Great Basin, the Pacific Northwest, and the Intermountain region. And that is slowly going to start to slide east by tonight. And here in Phoenix, clear sky, overnight lows should be in the 50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow, here comes the wind. Southwesterly winds increasing 10 to 25 miles per hour. Could see gusts to around 35, maybe even 40 here in Phoenix. And stronger winds across northern Arizona. Watch out for patchy blowing dust, and that fire danger will remain high. But the big story here for us is going to be the fact that temperatures will be much cooler tomorrow. Highs only in the mid to upper 70s. Further to the north, you see some green on the map. There could be some isolated to widely scattered showers across far northern Arizona, up toward Las Vegas and into portions of Utah, and further north, the rain and even high elevation snow will be more scattered to numerous in nature. But as we go to Saturday, that system is moving out of here, and we'll already start to see a rebound in temperatures. Now, we'll start the day out Saturday in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Beautiful start. And then highs back toward the upper 70s to low 80s. On Sunday, mid to upper 80s are likely with sunny sky. Monday, low to mid 90s as ridging builds back in. Mid to upper 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And either one of those days, yes, we could have our first 100-degree day of the year here in Phoenix. And that's not too far away from what typically is the first triple digit. So we'll see. Then as we go to a week from today, this is Thursday, the 28th, troughing over the Pacific Northwest. The heights come down here ever so slightly, so temperatures would back off at least a few degrees with maybe some breezes. And looking out 10 days, this is Saturday the 30th, and we still have a deep trough off the Pacific Northwest and Northern California coast and a southwesterly flow here. So again, that looks dry. Temperatures relatively seasonal. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix. This is coming off of the Euro Ensemble out through the 5th of May. And yeah, absolutely nothing. No sign of any precipitation anytime soon. It is the dry season. Probably we will not see any until late June or into July for our monsoon season. And here's a look at temperatures off the National Blend of Models. It's printing out 94 today and then down into the upper 70s for tomorrow. But look at that. April the 27th, it's got a high of 100 degrees here. Not looking forward to that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. Going to take a day off tomorrow, so we will do Photo Friday on Monday. Photo Monday or Monday Fun Day, whatever you want to call it. All right, if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, of course, you're checking out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. It's myself and, more importantly, the one and only Michelle that are involved in putting that together for you. And when you listen, you make me happy. You make Michelle so happy, she does a rain dance. So, if we really want to end this drought, just listen to that station. Michelle does the rain dance and it rains. That's science, baby. All right, thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool out there today. Have yourselves a great Thursday, Friday, and a wonderful weekend.